scoop he's ever dug with it. The famous first scoop. We're just gonna pile up dirt everywhere. Now that's a 54-inch bucket on there. Fleco, F-L-E-C-O, not Felco. Seemed to be pretty stable. Nice smooth machine. He's gonna have to get used to that. This girl's gonna be a little faster and a little smoother. So that's every bit of a 2-yard bucket. No, it may be more than that. It's probably a good 2 yards heaped up. He's gonna dig a damn hole to China, he's so happy. He's gonna have a 20-foot deep hole here dug in his yard before it's all said and done. All right, he's done digging. What do you think?
Dig a hole. Yes, those 300s got 2.5-yard buckets on them, but they're not this fast. So I'm thinking
you got your cycle times down a whole lot quicker.
Yeah, I'm thinking that a load truck. That's a 54-inch bucket.
2 yards heaped up real good. Maybe a little bit more.
2.1 is what they say it is, and 2.5 yards. Heaped up on the 300s, but the 300s with a 2.5 yard, I can't do that.
You can't, yeah, you tip over.
So actually that machine could swing a bigger bucket.
Well, but you're gonna put a thumb on it too, so that's gonna add you probably another. What'd you get there? Oh, you
he's got a turtle. Give me that, you
He has
goofball.
found a turtle.
Leave the turtle alone. Leave the turtle alone.
Well, he's a hound dog.
I think that's what he's back there barking at all the time. What is it with you and turtles? Rodney's gonna bury the hole, I guess.
Well, there it is.